Picture a world where one wrong move can trigger an explosion, collapse a tunnel, or send tons of steel crashing down. Welcome to the high-stakes arena of construction, where the most dangerous machines ever built push human courage and engineering to the limit. These aren't just tools. They're beasts that operate in explosive demolition, treacherous tunnels, and unforgiving weather, where a single misstep can mean disaster. Today, we're diving into the heart of danger with the 10 most hazardous construction machines ever made, revealing the risks, the tragedies, and the raw power that make them both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Buckle up. This is a wild, heart-pounding ride through the world of deadly machines. Welcome to Titan Machines TV, where we uncover the engineering marvels that shape our world, often at a steep human cost. The construction industry is a battlefield, with over 100,000 injuries and thousands of fatalities globally each year, many tied to the machines we're about to explore. These 10 giants, used in explosive demolition, tunneling, or extreme conditions, demand nerves of steel from operators and pose constant risks to those nearby. We'll reveal what makes them dangerous, the fatality stats tied to their use, and the design flaws or safety challenges that keep workers on edge. Through intense stories of triumph and tragedy, we'll show why these machines are both indispensable and deadly. Let's jump in. Number 1. Dmag CC88001 Twin Crawler Crane. The Dmag CC88001 Twin Crawler Crane, a German-made Titan, is used in skyscraper construction and offshore oil rigs. Weighing 1,500 tons and capable of lifting 3,200 tons, this crane's massive boom stretches over 600 feet, making it a go-to for projects like Saudi Arabia's Jeddah Tower. But its scale is its danger. The crane's counterweights, weighing hundreds of tons, can destabilize on uneven ground, risking catastrophic collapse. In 2015, a similar model in Mecca toppled during high winds, killing 111 workers and injuring 394. Operators face intense pressure to balance loads precisely, as even a slight miscalculation can send steel plummeting. The crane's complex hydraulic system, prone to leaks under extreme loads, adds another layer of risk, requiring constant maintenance to avoid failure. Its sheer size makes it a magnet for danger in high wind or seismic zones, where nature can turn this giant into a deadly projectile. Number 2. Sanvic DD422I Jumbo Drill. The Sanvic DD422I Jumbo Drill, a Swedish beast, is designed for underground tunneling in mines and metro systems. This twin-boom drill, weighing 40,000 pounds and powered by 200 horsepower, bores through rock with diamond-tipped bits at speeds of 10 feet per hour. Used in projects like Norway's Rogfast Tunnel, it's essential for carving out urban infrastructure. But tunneling is a death trap. Rockfalls, triggered by the drill's vibrations, kill dozens annually. Over 50 fatalities were reported in global tunneling accidents in 2023 alone. The DD421I's automated systems reduce human exposure, but operators still face dust inhalation risks, with silica exposure linked to long-term lung disease. Its high-pressure hydraulic lines can rupture, spraying oil at lethal velocities. In tight tunnels, there's no room for error, and the machine's noise, exceeding 120 decibels, can cause permanent hearing loss without proper protection. Number 3. R98000 Demolition Robot. Moving to explosive demolition, the R98000 Demolition Robot from Sweden is a compact but deadly machine. Weighing 11,000 pounds and delivering 50 horsepower, it's remote-controlled to smash concrete with hydraulic breakers, used in projects like the demolition of New York's old Penn 1 building. Its danger lies in its environment, unstable structures prone to collapse. In 2019, a demolition accident in Dallas involving a similar robot killed one worker. Dust clouds from concrete crushing pose respiratory hazards, and the machine's lithium-ion batteries, if damaged, can ignite, creating fire risks in confined spaces. Its precision is unmatched, but one wrong move can turn a controlled demolition into chaos. Number 4. Liebherr R98000 Excavator. The Liebherr R9800 Excavator, a German monster, is used in extreme mining conditions like Canada's oil sands. Weighing 1,760,000 pounds with 4,000 horsepower, its 42 cubic yard bucket can scoop a house's worth of earth in one go. It powered Australia's Boddington gold mine expansion, extracting billions in resources. But its size makes it a hazard. In 2022, an R9800 in a Chilean mine crushed a maintenance worker, one of over 30 fatalities linked to large excavators that year. Its hydraulic system, operating at 5,000 psi, can fail under extreme cold, spraying scalding oil. Operators perched 20 feet above ground risk falls, and the machine's blind spots make it deadly for ground crews. Its massive tracks can destabilize loose terrain, causing landslides in open pit mines. Number 5. Wordin 4200SM Surface Miner. The Wordin 4200SM surface miner, made in Germany, is designed for precision rock cutting in harsh climates, like Qatar's road projects. Weighing 204,000 pounds and delivering 1,620 horsepower, it cuts pavement with a 40-foot-wide drum, used in Dubai's Al Maktoum airport expansion. Its danger comes from dust and vibration. Silica dust exposure killed over 100 workers globally in 2023, and the 4,200 SM's high-speed drum generates vibrations that can trigger rockfalls or operator fatigue. In 2020, a surface miner accident in India injured 3 workers when loose rock collapsed. The machine's complex electronics are prone to overheating in desert conditions, risking sudden shutdowns that strand operators in hazardous zones. Its precision is unmatched, but the environment it operates in is unforgiving. Number 6. Atlas Copco Rocket Boomer. XL3D. Shifting to explosive environments, the Atlas Copco Rocket Boomer L3D is a Swedish drilling rig for tunneling in volatile mines, like South Africa's goldfields. Weighing 60,000 pounds with 300 horsepower, its 3 booms drill blast holes with pinpoint accuracy, used in Chile's El Teniente mine. But explosives make it deadly. Misfires or premature detonations killed 42 miners globally in 2023, often linked to drilling errors. The rocket boomer's high-pressure air systems can fail, releasing debris at high speeds. Operators face constant risk from toxic fumes and cave-ins, and the machine's remote controls, while safer, can lag in deep tunnels, causing misdrills. Its precision is critical, but one spark in a methane-heavy mine can spell disaster. Number 7. Putsmeister BSA 14000S HPD Concrete Pump. The Putsmeister BSA 14000S HPD Concrete Pump from Germany is a skyscraper building beast used in projects like Shanghai's Jinmao Tower. Costing over $5 million, it pumps concrete at 200 cubic yards per hour through a 500-foot boom. Its high-pressure system, reaching 1,200 psi, can rupture, spraying concrete that injures or kills. Over 20 fatalities were linked to concrete pump failures in 2022. Operators risk entanglement in its massive hoses, and the boom's height makes it vulnerable to high winds, with a 2018 collapse in India killing 2. Its mobility is a game-changer, but poor maintenance or operator error can turn it into a high-rise hazard. Number 8. Terex RH400 Hydraulic Shovel. The Terex RH400 hydraulic shovel, a German-made giant, is used for Arctic mining, like Russia's Norilsk nickel mines. Weighing 1,960,000 pounds with 4,000 horsepower, its 50 cubic yard bucket powers massive resource extraction. But Arctic conditions amplify its risks. In 2021, a similar shovel in Canada killed 1 worker when ice buildup caused a hydraulic failure. With over 50 fatalities tied to large shovels in 2023. Its power is unmatched, but the frozen frontier it operates in is relentless. Number 9. Sanvic R98000 Tunneling Jumbo. The Sanvic DT922 Tunneling Jumbo, another Swedish machine, bores metro tunnels in cities like London's Crossrail. Weighing 50,000 pounds with 250 horsepower, its dual booms drill with laser-guided precision. But underground dangers are ever present. In 2022, a tunneling accident in India killed 3 workers due to a cave-in triggered by vibrations. The DT922I's high-decibel operation risks hearing loss, and its automated systems can malfunction, misaligning drills. Dust and confined spaces increase respiratory risks, with over 100 tunneling-related injuries reported yearly. Its technology is cutting-edge, but the underworld it navigates is unforgiving. Number 10. Soilmech SR250 Piling Rig. Finally, the Soilmech SR250 piling rig from Italy drives massive piles for skyscraper foundations, like Singapore's Marina Bay Sands. Weighing 180,000 pounds with 600 horsepower, it hammers piles 60 feet deep. But pile driving is deadly. Over 30 fatalities occurred globally in 2023 from rig collapses or pile failures. The SR250's high-vibration hammer can destabilize soil, risking sinkholes, and its tall mast is prone to tipping in high winds. In 2019, a piling rig accident in Malaysia injured 5 workers when a pile snapped. Operators face constant danger from falling components, and the machine's complexity demands expert handling to avoid catastrophe. These machines, from cranes to drills, are engineering triumphs, but their dangers have spurred a safety revolution. Since the 1980s, fatality rates in construction have dropped 30%, thanks to advances like remote operation, real-time diagnostics, and stricter training. The Brock 900's remote controls reduce operator exposure, while the Sanvic DT921I's automation minimizes human error. Improved sensors on the Dmag CC88001 prevent overloads, and better ventilation in tunneling machines like the DD422I cuts dust risks. Yet, the human cost remains. Over 2,500 construction workers died globally in 2023. These machines build our world, but their power demands respect. From the Terex RH400's Arctic perils to the Soilmech SR250's urban risks, these 10 machines embody danger and innovation. They've shaped cities and industries, but their stories are written in courage and sacrifice. Which machine's risks shocked you most? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more gripping.